Hi, and welcome to Addley Precision. In this video, we're going to cover the installation process of our magazine well adapter for Ruger 10/22 style rifles. This adapter will fit any standard Ruger 10/22 style magazine well. As you can see here, we have a Ruger SR22 rifle, and we're going to begin this installation by confirming that the rifle is safe. As you can see, there's no magazine in the rifle. Next thing, we're going to lock the bolt open and check that the chamber is clear. We can now begin the installation. Confirm that you have your 10/22 magazine well adapter in the correct orientation with the spring tab facing the barrel of the rifle and the two set screws inside, not protruding from the back of the adapter. And we can now place this inside the magazine well like you would a standard 10/22 magazine. Make sure that you hear that click, that it's locked into place. The next step is to take our shim here and make sure that the foot of the shim is facing the grip of the rifle, and gently place it in front of our magazine release lever here, applying gentle pressure. As you act on the release, it will drop into place. You can see our shim has now fallen into place just in front of the magazine release lever of the 10/22 rifle. To confirm it's in place, actuate the magazine release, and you should be able to see it move into position in the rifle. Finally, we'll take our Allen key using the long end and set our screws in place. You may want to alternate between the two screws a handful of times, as it allows for a much more even pressure to be applied on them. And we want to make sure that both of these set screws are flush or below the inside surface of the magazine well adapter. Otherwise, they will cause issues feeding our magazine. This adapter uses ProMag magazines, which are available in large drums such as this. Simply insert like you would with a standard magazine, and our spring catch here will grip over the magazine, locking it in place. To release, simply pull on the spring tab and remove the magazine. We do suggest the use of LOCTITE on the set screws for prolonged periods of use. Otherwise, they can back out under recoil. For more information, to have a look at our other products, or if you have any questions, please visit our website at addleyprecision.com.